I welcome us to day 7 of this course, and the focus is the march of mission in the first century. You know, it is like the summary of all that we have been looking at. Jesus Christ is the founder of Christianity. Jesus Christ began his public ministry, at the age of 30. And we can see how he practiced his own mission also. Jesus Christ chose 12 disciples. He trained them in mission. He called them apostles. And later on, he commissioned them. But by the time of the commissioning, we have more than 12. And on the day of Pentecost, the Holy Spirit came, on these 120 disciples. We can also find the significance of the Holy Spirit in participating in God's mission. If you look at it, the disciples who were timid because of the Holy Spirit, they became bold. The disciples who were non-entity, after the coming of the Holy Spirit, the Bible said that they turned the world upside down because of the Holy Spirit. And we can see how they spread, the gospel. How they spread God's mission, from Jerusalem to Samaria to Judea and to the uttermost part of the world. If you look at that movement, since the day of the Pentecost until AD 60, the mission has been spread all over the world. And in the spreading of the gospel, we have some important figures, like Peter, like John, like James, like Philip, like Stephen, like Barnabas, like Paul. Let's learn how each of these figures, how they participated in God's mission. Because of their participation in the first century, the gospel spread all over the world. I pray that the Lord will help us today, Christians, ministers, to spread the gospel all over the world. And when you look at these apostles, they have their own principles. They have their own methods. So I want you to read about the principle and their methods. And by then, we can also come out with our own method of participating in Mission Dei. God bless us. Thank you.